Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here in Philadelphia, y'all. Wanted to show you guys my eagle. I ain't gonna say Quan, but his name is Barkley. My wingman is a Cowboys fan. I got this from him. He said he had to give it up. The Cowboys helped the Eagles out by beating somebody they had no business beating. But we out here with it. He got this from AliExpress, and he let me fly it. He had two of these actually, and he let me fly it when he first got it. The other one, and I loved it. Flew great. Love the way it flies. Love the way it looks. Has great detail and everything in it. And it just looks awesome in the air. It soars nice. This is only a 3-channel though. And when he gave it to me, I noticed that this tail feather, or the elevator on this thing, was broken. So I bought some nylon hinges and I repaired it myself. And so it should work just like new, if not better, with these little nylon hinges in it right there. The servo horn has been adjusted to the middle, and the one on the end of the push rod there on this control surface, the elevator, is at the hole that gives it the most throw. And so should have no problem descending and all. I'm aware that I do have some kind of Wi-Fi interference coming from over there and over here, so I'm prepared with strong elevator. I'm hoping that'll help. But let's get this guy up in the air. Just wanted to show you guys how it flies. Again, this came from AliExpress, an awesome AliExpress find. AliExpress good find and whatnot is what they like to say. I have a link in the description for this thing. I'll also have the codes. I think there's one code that you'll be able to utilize for a few bucks off when purchasing this, if you download the AliExpress app and decide to get this thing. But let's take it up in the air. This little guy runs off a little 1S pack micro low C connector. Oh, I almost dropped it. This one right here is a 300 milliamp hour. So not a whole lot of power. This is the transmitter right here. Little plain transmitter. You can take this thing out of gyro mode, and it has, I think this side is the rates, so you can go to a higher rate. It has 2 rates. The highest rate gives it harder turns, and that's the rate I'm going in. And this one right here turns off the 6G. I think that allows you to do loops but no rolls. So let's try this thing. Check it out, y'all. Definitely not comfortable flying by that roof there. Oh! And it was giving me some kind of interference or something. I was trying to turn it and pulling down on the elevator, and it didn't turn fast enough. So you need a wide space to fly this thing. Flatten the front wheels on it. Oh man, now my elevator. Oh, the elevator didn't break, but this little clevis came loose. So let me try to repair that. The little retainer that holds the clevis together to make sure that it doesn't come off, I actually took that off when I was repairing it and forgot to put it back on. And so this is what happens. Happy it didn't break though. The wheels just came loose. Okay, so hopefully this guy is still flyable. Okay, let's see. We're back in the high rate. See, this thing is it's not turning all the way for me, y'all. Sheesh. And I lost the prop. I heard the prop fly off it, and I'm beating this guy up. I'm thinking maybe I need to wait until I get into a wider open space for this thing. Just doesn't turn hard enough. Miraculously, this thing survived all of that. The prop here. I plan to make this a 4-channel. That's what I want to do with it. Let's go over here. It seems like we got a wider open space back here. Beating this guy up. Oh, we lost connection for a second there. That would have sucked. Let's try to turn the other way. Let's try to come back here. Turn it. Stop flying it so crazy. Be a little more careful with it before I kill it. Oh! Oh! Come on back here. I thought I was going to be able to do it. Oh, I took it out of the mode actually. Let's go back into the mode. We can do it. Oh, didn't do it. Whoa! Yeah, it's not gonna let me flip over. It doesn't have enough power, y'all. So I'm gonna try to bring it down to land it before I lose it. Oh no, don't lose it.